Guys, welcome to Hardest Info. Today I have OPPO A60 and I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have a connect with internet but you can't visible your game on your Google Play Store, as in my situation. When you have the same problem as mine, you must go back to the main menu of your Google Play Store and tap on your photo on the right corner. There are settings, family and parental control. As you can see, now we have PG3 to visible game or application. As Mobile Legends games, we need more than PG3. To change it, we press there. Now we must enter connect pin to our parental control, and we can easily change it by tap to allow unincluded underrated maybe and save. And that's all. We can go back and search Mobile Legends games again, and it is working right now and we can install it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!